So gold has given some pretty good returns this year, and to be exact, it has given more than 60%, close to 70% return this year alone. So it beats the stock market, Nifty and Sensex, by a huge margin, because if you talk about the statistics, Nifty has given almost 0 to negative percent return. So you can imagine how much gold's return is worth to the investors, because wise investors would definitely have spotted the upcoming trend in gold and would have entered at the right buying level. Definitely they would not have missed. So if you are not one of the lucky ones, then you can wait for the next pullback of the gold and then enter in that interval. Okay, so in this video we are going to see that if after giving such a large return, a huge sum of return, huge percentage of return, did gold slow down? Because if we talk about the day to day price action of gold, yes, we have seen some negative days, negative closing days for gold in the last few weeks. So is this the beginning of a downtrend, or it is the beginning of sideways, and we should consider this as an investment opportunity and wait for the consolidation or the sideways to be over and then enter at the next breakout? So everything I'm going to discuss in this video, and along with that we are going to see what the experts have to say on this topic. Okay, and then we'll do our own analysis. Okay, so let me take you to the screen, but just a reminder that this is not an investment recommendation video. This is just an educational video to help you make better investment and trading decisions. Okay, so with that said, let's go to the screen. Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the opinion of HSBC. Gold shine is intact despite choppy prices, says HSBC. Here's why. Okay, so we are not going to go much deeper into the details that they have given. We'll go to the price action directly. Okay, you can see the huge return given by gold, and if I consider from here, you see this is 1st January, and the from here if we consider till the highest point of gold, it has given almost 70% return in 293 days, so which is less than 1 year. So 70% return by a precious metal like gold, which normally gives 12 to 13% return on average, or let's say 15% at best. It has given 70% return, so it's a massive rally. And if you are one of them who actually did participate in this rally, if even if not 70%, if you have achieved 30 to 40% return during this rally, then also you have done a great job, fantastic job, congratulations to you. So but for people who have missed, and for people who still want to buy some more units of gold to keep it for long term, let's say 5 years, 8 years, because this is not a swing trading thing that we can do swing trading in gold, but many people consider gold as a long term investment. So if you are one of them, then this video will be helpful. So back to the charts. So we can see that the gold price, after hitting this post region here, it did drop by around 11%. Okay, in 6 days. So in 1 week, 11.78% means almost 12% drop in 1 week. So that's a good fall, we can say. Okay, so is this the beginning of downtrend? Obviously not. You can see how much it has rallied before giving this fall. So if we consider from this level, why this level? Because this is acting as a base here. So if I draw one horizontal line, you can see that it has used this level as the support, and from here it went up 35% in 61 days, 60 days, almost in 2 months. Okay, so that's a good return. So after that 12% drop is fine. So what we can simply do is we can draw one fib retracement. Okay, so if we draw fib retracement here, we can see that it is taking support at this 61.8% level. Okay, that is good, but along with that we need some support of the moving average as well. So if I enable 50 days moving average, okay, this is daily time frame, 50 days moving average, then you can see it has not yet properly touched the 50 days moving average. So if you are thinking that you should always buy gold when it touches the 50 days moving average, well, that is a good strategy, not a problem at all. But if you are little bit on the smarter side, then you will definitely wait for a breakout after touching the 50 EMA. So let me scroll back and show you some example. Let's say we are talking about this place. So you can see this actually formed kind of a horizontal channel kind of pattern, you can see. Okay, so if you see, consider this horizontal channel pattern, and here it gave a break. Okay, and then it went up. So similarly, it must have done this multiple times in the past as well. So we can go back here, again draw the same channel kind of pattern. Okay, and here you can see the 50 EMA passing through it, then it turned upwards and the stock started going up. Here we can apply the 10 days EMA, and here you can see it started providing support, then it continued through the rally. So same happened here also. You can see the closing, actually the gold prices closed above the 10 days EMA. You can see this black line. You can pause the video and see, take a look. Okay, this is closing above the black line, that is the 10 days EMA. So same thing we can apply here also. Let's see if gold is going to use 50 EMA as the support, or it is going to pass through it and then come down below to 150 days EMA. So we have to see that. So for now, keep this in your watch list, but do not buy too much of gold right now, because currently it is going in sideways. So why would you not want to buy it at the right price? Not just at the low price, but the right price. Okay, so that is the smart way of investing, because in that way, let's say your time horizon is kind of 1 year, 3 year, then definitely if you hold for 3 years, gold will definitely give you good returns. But if you enter at the right time, let's say the breakout is going to happen after 3 months, then the same return you can achieve in 9 months instead of 1 year. Okay, without wasting 3 months, you can utilize that money somewhere, or even if you keep it in your bank account or fixed deposit or anywhere, you will get some percentage of return. Okay, but here, let's say if it is going to swing for some more days, then you will get negative % return. So avoid that. For now, keep it in your watch list, and do not worry, I will definitely bring update videos on gold whenever it gives a breakout in coming near future. So stay tuned for that. I will bring the video either in this channel or my other channels. If you have not followed them, you can find the link in the description section below. And if you found this video useful and valuable, please hit the like button, share it with other people, and consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.